Welcome to The Nest, Fisher Flying Products weekly newsletter and get-together. I know that you've been wondering where I've been for the last couple of weeks. I haven't posted videos, but sometimes life gets in the way. We've been out supporting our adult children who are finishing up their university degrees and helping them move on to their new paths in life, and that sometimes takes, a truck and a helping hand and to move furniture. So we wanted to make sure that family comes first, and we got out there and helped them. I'm back this week with a discussion about material costs and how they're affecting kit prices going forward. I've got a bunch of photos that show you where we are on the Aria project, and I'm going to end off with a video, a Memorium video that was given to me by the new owner of a classic aircraft from Spain. The original owner passed away a couple of months ago, and the new owner forwarded me a Memorium video showing him flying the airplane. Now, I've shown this airplane before a little bit, showing how the classic flies, but I think we'll pay respects to somebody who's built an airplane and flown it and enjoyed the Fisher aircraft experience over in Europe, and I think they did a really nice job on the video, so I'll share that with you. I'll see you after the intro.
This is Fisher Flying Products. I'm Dave Hartner. Welcome to The Nest. Our video newsletters provide weekly insight into building and flying our 15 wooden aircraft designs. Polini Motori of Italy is a gracious sponsor of our channel.
Polini's the manufacturer of the Thor 303 DS.
Cozy Carb Ice Prevention Systems is a proud sponsor of this channel as well. Please take the time to watch our videos to the end, as this assists us in the metrics that YouTube uses to rate our channel. Hit the like button if you feel that the content is worthy. We invite you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button and hitting the bell so that you are notified whenever we post our newsletters.
We've all been noticing lately with this pandemic and all of the household projects that are wanting to be done that lumber prices have in some cases tripled in price over the last little while for construction lumber. Now, we are affected to a certain extent in that we're seeing about a 5% increase in prices for our raw materials in the shop for the pine that we use. And we're seeing an almost doubling or better than doubling of the price for our plywoods. Now, we're not using plywoods that are specifically used in the construction industry, so we haven't seen the tripling of prices in that. But what we're seeing with COVID effects at the mills in Finland and Russia, we are seeing a more difficult time in getting the plywoods that we use in the aircraft, the aircraft grade plywood and the Baltic birch that we use for most of our construction. So the other effect that we're seeing is shipping. With the Suez Canal crisis and the backlogs, we're having longer lead times, and therefore my suppliers don't have it when I need it necessarily on the shelf. It's all getting gobbled up. So we did some proactive work, and we managed to secure the plywoods we need for the Aria project. And enough plywood on hand to be able to, keep producing kits, with an eye that we will be ordering out ahead now more than just trying to rely on suppliers' stock on shelves. We'll be ordering it in. So it's a big issue, and we're really trying to keep our prices, from increasing too much. But you'll have to understand that our input costs have gone up a bit. As an Aria update, I'm going to show a bunch of photographs of parts and fittings that we've made, processes that we've gone through to get the kit built to the point where we've got the empennage complete and the fuselage is coming right along. We're very proud of the work that we've been doing on the Aria kit process. We've learned a lot as we've gone through it. We've ordered parts in from all over the world to fit to this airframe and validate our ideas and our concept of the type of wooden aircraft kit that we think the market is looking for. We've Lionel's worked hard with the guys in the shop to build all of the parts from the plans that we've got, and as we go, we're modifying. An example is the horizontal stabilizer being flattened out to be actually truly horizontal rather than having anhedral. We're looking at the internal bracing. Like I said, we've purchased the cowling from overseas and brought that in. Accessories for this, but yet we've also manufactured and put in our own spin. These hinges were something that I had on my RV10, and they seem to work really well in this instance. And so it's a lot of fitting and thinking and putting things together, to make an aesthetically pleasing looking tail end of the aircraft right now. And we're going with different construction techniques that we haven't used with the Fisher line of aircraft. This is a differently constructed airplane, and but it's coming out very nicely. We've done very little sort of body work to the plane's control surfaces to get them to come, to be flush and nice. So that's a really big plus in my view, is that you don't have to do a lot of this extra sanding work and whatnot. So as we move along, the tail has come together. The empennage is now installed and complete. We've got all of the controls worked out. Some of these are just prototypes that we've hacked together to make sure that our thoughts are working with the drawings, and whether we want to make any slight changes to make things better in our view. From our construction experience, like an access door here. Adding the access door allows you to get in to be able to work on everything in the tail. It's super important to have, and it wasn't in the plans. So we've built jigs on the tables to build the fuselage sides. We've now got 2 complete sets of fuselage sides built. And here's the guys. This is Chase and Jim and Lionel, showing off their handiwork. They've done some great work putting all of these together and documenting all the parts. And now here we have a fuselage that's coming together. And this is what the work that you would see all completed as a customer who is going to be receiving a kit. You'll do some sheeting, but some of it'll be done for you. And so you can see here we've got lots of photos to show how things go together.
And finally, we're going to end this video with a memoriam for Josep Roca Marimon and his beautiful classic.
Gracias, Pep. Va por ti.
Thanks again for watching. We try hard to bring you interesting content each week. To help us out, please like and share our videos if you feel the content is worthy. To receive the latest info from Fisher Flying Products, click the subscribe button and ring the bell. See you next time in the nest.